Let's talk about fun homeschooling extras. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm a homeschooling mom who's been homeschooling since 2012 and I make videos on this channel to help you on your homeschooling journey. So make sure to take a minute to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a bunch of really cool extra things that you can do with your homeschooler. You can use these things as electives. You can use them as supplements along with your current curriculum, or you can use them for things to do after school, before school, during breaks, or even during breaks during the day, or even during longer breaks like summer or Christmas breaks. So I'm going to share with you a bunch of different things. Everything is going to be listed in the description below. The first homeschool goodie that I want to share with you guys is Night Zookeeper. Now I'm sure that most of you guys have heard of Night Zookeeper by now, but this is a really cool educational program that is online that your kids can do by themselves without you, and it's going to help them with their grammar, their spelling, and their writing. In this program, you have fun, engaging games, puzzles, writing prompts, and creative writing activities that are going to spark your students' imagination. They're fun lessons, and they're actually based off of storybooks called the Night Zookeeper series. I do have an affiliate link in the description below where you get a 7-day free trial and you get 50% off for the whole year subscription. So check that out. The next thing I want to share with you guys is a math supplement that is going to help your kids, if they're visual learners, to learn their upper multiplication facts. And it's called Times Tale Math. It has got to be one of the fastest and easiest ways for your children to learn their multiplication tables. This program has visual, silly stories that provide your students with a memory peg to make the upper times table stick in their head for good. Check out the link in the description below. This next item is a subscription box. I have a couple of subscription boxes to share with you guys, but this one is to teach your kids foreign languages even if you don't speak that foreign language yourself. And I cannot wait till my box gets here. I'll make a detailed review on that for you guys. I don't have it yet, but I've been talking with the creator of Talkbox Mom and I'm so excited on their approach for learning another language. They don't focus on vocabulary and grammar usage first like other programs do. They actually focus on dialogue and you speaking it starting the day that you get the program. Here are all the languages that Talkbox Mom offers: Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Hebrew, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Russian, Romanian, and you even have the opportunity to request another language. And I even have some discount codes for you guys in the description below. If you use the code Mrs. Mom 20, you will get $20 off your first box and your first phrasebook. If you guys have not checked out Timberdoodle's website, they have so many amazing homeschool supplies, games, and curriculum on here. You can even purchase an entire kit for the grade of your child, and this doesn't just come with textbooks and curriculum, it also comes with fun games, puzzles, and activities for your kids to do that are going to keep them busy all day long. The next is a subscription box for those of you who want to do art with your kids, so you want to do crafts with your kids, but you're not an artsy person. You hate looking for all of the art supplies. You hate looking for all the different lessons, and then you may do it once or twice, but then you're just like, you're not consistent with it. Well, this subscription is for you, and it is called Kids Artbox. In each box, they will send you a themed box with a few different crafts inside. Everything is labeled and everything is set in different envelopes. They're based on different artists so that you can learn about an artist, learn a little bit of art history, and learn about current artists, and also complete different art projects based on that artist's style. So your kids can just go in and unpack their little packs of art supplies, and everything is listed in steps for your child. If you're looking to incorporate art into your homeschool, this subscription box is definitely for you. And you don't just complete it all in one day. This can last for the whole month because you have like 4 or 5 different projects. You can do one a week and just spread it out, because as an elective you normally do it 1 to or twice a week anyway, so this would be perfect if you wanted to incorporate art. Another Spanish supplement is called the Hola Amigo subscription box, and works the same way, where you guys get a box of a different country with a theme, and it has a bunch of different activities and crafts and games and things for your child to do based on a specific country, a Spanish-speaking country. If you go online, they have a code right now that you get 60% off your first box. Now with Hola Amigo subscription box, you can get one for any age of your child. They have a box for 2 to 3-year-olds. They have one for pre-K to 1st grade, and then they have one from 6 to 10-year-olds. Well, maybe not every age, but at least up to the age of 10. I also have another Spanish supplement, and this is called Song School Spanish. And this is an absolutely fun program to help your kids learn Spanish words using songs. The next subscription box is also really cool, and it's called I'm the Chef Too. And this mixes food, STEM, and the arts all together. Your child will get a themed box, and they'll have different little science activities and art things in there, and then a recipe to tie it all in. You can either subscribe to this and get a surprise box every month, or you can actually go in and pick a box. And these are some of the boxes that you have to choose from. Farro Rice Krispie Tune, Winter Friends Hot Cocoa Bombs, Pancake Pet, Cupcake Geode, Frozen S'mores, and there's so much more. The next homeschool extra that I have for you is from the website unitstudy.com. And on this site, you get to pick different unit studies and just purchase them for your kids. And they have lots of cool different options. You can base your unit study off of a person like Abraham Lincoln or Amelia Earhart. You can do something sciencey like astonishing animals or cavernous caves. They have composers, they have Christmas themes, they even have one on popcorn. If you go here to the unit study website, you'll be able to find all the different unit studies that they have. Already made for you, already laid out, no prep. You just read from the booklet and teach. This one is a Bible study extra. Actually, it's not even extra. You use this as your Bible time. So we're going to be doing the work Bible study this year from Not Consumed, but they have different little Bible studies, and they have it for different grades. So you have it all the way up from your preschool age all the way up to adult. So I have the same Bible study that my son is going to do, and we're doing it on work. And I'm going to show you here the different things. You have a content heart, developing a quiet time, do right, fruit of the tongue, in the garden, my brother's keeper, and obey, different things like that. So these are awesome to use as your Bible study curriculum. It's a journal, and they can go inside and they can fill out all the different questions and do a little lesson every day, and then you do yours, and then you guys talk about it. If you're looking for some living books for history and geography, then you definitely have to check out Beautiful Feet books. These books are living books. Living stories are books that are entertaining to the child, and they're written in a story sense. So let's say your child wants to learn about Benjamin Franklin. Instead of looking at the textbook with all the dates and all the different things, you're going to be able to read a whole story about Benjamin Franklin that's going to bring him to life to your child. And so Beautiful Feet Books has a bunch of different books just like these and different categories. Your kids are basically learning history through literature, and they also have literature packs. You have different topics such as ancient history, medieval times, early American, modern American, geography, music, science, character, and so much more. And then my last resource for you is Pandia Press. And this is a website that sells history and science curriculum for your homeschooler. You even have a section on there that you can try before you buy, and they have lots of downloadable samples for you, so you can decide if it's something you actually want to purchase or not. I hope you guys enjoyed all these different wonderful homeschooling extras. These things can add so much joy and fun into your homeschool. Make sure to check out my playlist here that shows different ways that you can add fun into your homeschool. Make sure to check out the links in the description below for all the different websites. I'm going to have them organized for you guys, where you guys can go down there and just click on the link. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.